Hi ninjas, how are you guys doing? It's your girl Owamie aka Miss Fearful, calling back for our entertainment. If it's the first time joining me and was doing the welcome, please do make sure that I subscribe and obviously hit the bell. I absolutely love you, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. It's at boldly Owamie. Now my ninjas, I know that I have been MIA. For some of you that know, I have actually been sick. I had flu and I just felt like my body really needed the rest, so I slept for like 2 days straight. I was not really doing much, and I feel like that really honestly helped my body. I was able to rest, especially I still have a bit of flu, but it's a lot better from you know how it was. Now today I actually just want to go ahead and give you guys an update. I have already updated my ninjas that are obviously, you know, in the private sector. I don't know what to say. The private sector, or the private sector of YouTube, which is the members. So I've already alerted my members, and I felt that I actually had to tell you guys because I just know it's about to be a public spectacle, and so I obviously just wanted to make sure that at least you guys hear it from me, since this journey started on this public platform. And so just so that some of you that do not know what is going on, new subscribers would actually basically just understand. So I have been you know, going through a defamation case since 2021. I am suing a YouTuber, and I'm gonna go ahead and just tell you guys just a bit on the reason why I'm actually suing her. So there was in 2021 I was actually going through my divorce. It was really difficult. My ex was just being difficult for nothing. That man just did not want to sign those divorce papers. Honestly, like, instead of him just helping so that the process would be easier, we both just knew and understood that we did not want each other. But he was making sure that things were just honestly just so difficult, you guys. So basically what he would usually do is that, you know, I had a lawyer, he did not have a lawyer at that time. My lawyer would draft something, I would be the one that has to use my resources to drive there. Like, at first it was supposed to happen that side of Free State, and then after that my lawyers decided that they were gonna now move the matter this side. It was a lot. I'm not even going to lie, it was a lot. It was also just financially draining, and I think that the unfortunate part about everything was the fact that it was only financially draining me and not him. So when things were going, obviously at first I decided that I'm gonna just be quiet about everything, but at the end of the day, you guys, like, I just realized, like, why am I being quiet? Honestly, like, why am I not telling my story? You know, especially looking at the fact that this man made sure that where he was in Free State, where we were, him and his mother, like, they made sure that they tarnished my name and everything. And I felt I also have a right to actually, like, talk and speak on things that are actually happening. I remember I did tell you guys that, you know, there's an audio that is up over 40 minutes where it was his mother just literally lying on me, and he was there. So she was claiming that this is stuff that he told her, and he never said, no, this is not what I said. One thing I know about that man is that he lies a lot. And so, you know, I think, you know, I just got that phone, you know, I switched it on and I was listening to that audio, and again, like, I got super upset just listening to the things that she was saying. And I think that maybe I'm at a point where I'm ready to share. So on my other channel, which is Boldly Owamie, I think I'm gonna start a series where I'm just reacting to the stuff that this woman is saying and debunking, because this is information that people know about me, think, or that is me. But anyway, it's neither here or there. Let's go ahead and continue with this particular one. When I started obviously making videos about the stuff that were happening, especially with the divorce, the fact that, you know, there was just, if you want, there's a whole playlist of story times you can go ahead and check. So there was this girl who had a failing channel. You know, her first channel failed, so she's an OG. Like, don't be fooled, she's not a newbie on YouTube. She's an OG. She's just a failure. She's been a failing OG on YouTube, right? So she had a first channel. Her first channel got shut down, obviously failed at that, and then she decided that she was gonna open another channel. She has been having different channels and she talks about different stuff, but obviously nobody was paying attention to her. I think that she sat down, she came up with a strategy, and obviously whenever she spoke about me, she got views, and so she decided that her whole channel, literally, she was gonna just make it about me. Now at that time in 2021, like, girl was able to can post even over 6 videos in a day, and they're all about Owamie. Now unfortunately, due to the fact that obviously, you know, she was scrambling and looking hard, she now fell upon lies, I should say. She came up with stuff, came out on a public platform, and she started just lying on me. Some of the stuff that she was talking about were how I was lying about the stories that I was talking about the divorce, which obviously now had to start installing doubt within my followers. And then on top of that, you guys, like, she decided that she was gonna come out and tell people that I had an abortion at the age of 16 and I damaged my womb, that I'm barren. You know, she called me a fraudster in terms of like my car is not mine, I had someone actually get the car for me, I'm blacklisted. There was a lot of stuff that she basically came out and she started saying. Now at that time, you guys, I was like super down. I was going through a lot. Obviously, I'm dealing with a difficult divorce as it is. This man won't sign, things are just not going the way that they're supposed to go. On top of that, I also have to keep myself afloat. I am a woman that is self-employed. My main source of income is from here on YouTube, and so I still had to make my income. I still had to work. That is a reality that whether someone wants to admit or not, I have to, you understand. She honestly tried to make sure that she made the environment on YouTube be so difficult that I'm not gonna be able to work. I honestly literally had to pull every single strength that I could to make sure that I'm obviously going to show up for myself and film and work for myself and obviously my family. It was really difficult, you guys, and at that time, as I said, I was going through a lot, so it was almost like she was kicking a dog that was already down, you understand. I did not understand, to be honest with you guys, like why she had so much hate for me, because I didn't know her. She's a complete stranger, still don't know her. And so when everything was going on, I honestly just, at first my ninjas started like basically sending me messages to say, hey, there's a girl that's talking crap about you, and I'd be like, guys, please don't tell me. But then obviously when ninjas were a lot and they were like, no girl, now you need to definitely do something, was when she came out and she would claim that I would go days without bathing, like I would go days with plates, like I would do this and that, like very hateful stuff. And I looked at it and I'm like, girl, you be so straight, like I don't know you, you know, like honestly for me, I did not understand whatsoever. Now you should just imagine going through a divorce, already being at a verge of depression. Life on its own is still lifing, and then having someone that would release services about you, just lying, tarnishing your name, and also just being so rude about everything, you know, just being a hater basically, and a fan at the same time. It was honestly not something that I'm not going to lie. I think that one of the most difficult parts that I would say that I felt was one of the most difficult parts with this was actually having to see my baby sisters and how they were hurting, because they were literally like scared for me. I was going through a lot and I had just gone through a lot, you understand, so they knew more. And I remember just seeing my sisters, they would usually like do video calls and just try to talk to me, are you okay, whenever there's a day that she wakes up and decides she's gonna post 8 videos or however much videos, I don't know, but a lot of videos, you know. And I would see them, the fact that, you know, they're just trying to check up on me, and you know, it honestly did affect them. They say, I feel like it affected them a lot, and affecting them, me seeing how stressed they were, it also stressed me out. And that was the reason why I decided, you know what, I'm going to stand up for myself and I'm going to sue. I'm not going to come out here and just sit and give this person what they want, which obviously was clout. Obviously, if you've already failed and you need something to work, you see that Owamie is succeeding, then you need to. So basically what I did was that obviously I did you know, get a lawyer, and I opened a defamation case. Now obviously with everything that was going on, she was making sure that she was coming and, you know, she was going to her followers and she would lie to them. So after everything that happened, I think I've spoken a lot about this. You know, the lawyers, she sent me an apology on my WhatsApp, which I just did not even know where she got my phone numbers from. And then after that, she denied that she did, even though I actually read it out and I showed proof, and you guys are still going to get, like, it's just crazy. Now what actually happened was that last year, I know it was before September, I don't know if it was, I think it was during September, so I'm not sure, but I think it was the time that I just started renovating the salon. We were supposed to actually go to court, which then did not happen because my lawyer said that she filed in the wrong courtroom or something like that. Honestly, I did not even want to like fully understand what was going on. I just wanted to understand when can we get the next date, because I feel like it has been dragging long enough, you understand. So unfortunately, I was very busy with the renovations of the salon and everything that was going on, and I tried to contact my lawyer, but things were just not going the way I wanted. I was no longer just happy with her services, and so I decided that I was going to terminate the services and I'm going to seek out a new legal firm. So what I actually did right now is that I made sure that I was going to get a law firm that is close to where I am, because that one was actually in Pretoria, so it was quite difficult to just go in there, you know, to find out what is going on. And so I did make sure that I'm getting a new lawyer or a new law firm, and then obviously that the ones that are taking the matter further. Now I did get the new lawyer last year. It was towards the end, and you guys know that courts actually do close, and so now that the courts are open and everything, we were also just waiting for the correspondence, I think, between my previous lawyers and the new lawyers. I think that one of the things that was quite scary, or like just had me a bit on the verge, was that had it been that, you know, my previous lawyer had messed up, then we were gonna have to start the case from fresh or from scratch, which is something that I honestly was just dreading. I was like, oh, you know, if obviously that's the only option, then that's what we're gonna have to do, because I am not letting this go. But I did get the good news that my previous lawyers actually did things the right way. It is true that she just filed in the wrong courtroom, and so my new lawyers, are gonna take it further from there. And so that's basically what's going on. I am telling you guys now because I have a huge feeling that soon you guys will be hearing, oh, you know, this is what happened, I got contacted, I got this, because things are like in motion right now, and things are about to actually like continue so that we can finally go to court. And yeah, you know, I can basically get justice for all this injustice that has actually happened to me. I think, you know, for someone that is out from this situation, it would be easier for them to just say, oh, I mean, you know, just forgive, you know, just, you know, forget about it, you know, just this and this. I'm literally sitting out here and I have people out there that literally think I'm barren because of this woman. Do you understand the extent at which this is so bad? I'm someone that even till today, I'm not sure, you guys, if I want to have kids. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I deal with a lot of trauma, having lost my mom and having been a mother from the age of 23. I just feel like I've been mothering for so many years that, like, at this point, I'm just like, I do not know. I'm not sure if I want to have kids or not. But the way that this woman has made it be, it's almost like, oh, I'm barren. So in order for me to prove to people that I'm not barren, I need to have a child that I'm not sure of. That's not something that I'm going to actually do. And so I do want her to go to court and prove what she's saying, because if I have to be coming with my gynecologist you know, documents and the things that my gynecologist obviously is going to say, because I did get the fibroids removed, my womb is intact, everything is there, everything is great, then like you just don't have a right to actually go out there and be that malicious, especially to someone that is a stranger to you. And so I think that if it is a matter of I'm gonna just let this slide and let this go, the disrespect and the lies from YouTubers, I feel like it's just gonna be too much. So if at least I sue one, then I'm also gonna be helping other people. It won't be as easy for others to actually just go out there and lie. If there's anything that I can go ahead and tell you guys, because there's one YouTuber that sent me a message talking about how you know, this is, she said what, this is a game, or this is a, I think she said it's a game or something, you know. I'm like, it's not a game. I understand if you're not making money on YouTube, for you it would be a game. But if this is your main source of income, there's no way that I'm gonna treat my YouTube channel and my reputation as a game. How am I gonna treat it as a game when this is my main source of income? Do you understand? And so I think that it is also very much important to also know and understand that if you're starting out or you don't make money enough for yourself from YouTube, you need to understand that there are other people that are actually making enough for themselves, and this is a business for them. So you also need to respect people's businesses, even though it is within YouTube. You understand? Yes, we may all be YouTubers, but we're not the same. We don't do the same things. We are not YouTubing for the same reasons. You may be YouTubing because you have a rich husband, you sit at home and you just feel, I'm bored, I want to do this as a game, or you know, as something. But for someone like me, this is my main source of income. I don't have a backup plan or any other thing, or a backup person that's gonna come in and be like, oh, you know, this month you didn't make a cent on YouTube, I'm gonna come out and swoop in and I'm gonna you know, pay all your bills. I don't have that right now. So I think that it's also very much important for people to actually know and understand that me as Owamie, I will not stop. I will not stop until we see a judge, and a judge is the one that is actually going to give a verdict. That is me. If I'm gonna have to fire this law firm, and I'm being honest with you guys, if they don't do the things that I want, I'm the client here, then they will be gone, I will get another one. But if there's one thing I can tell you guys, is that there is nothing under the sun that is going to make me stop to pursue this. I did take a bit of a pause because I was obviously busy with the salon, but now I've got, you know, some extra time in my hands, and I need to make sure that I'm sorting this chende out. Definitely my wish is that by the end of this year I'm already done with this court case, and everything is finished. So I just pray to God that things are gonna go smooth. But from now, after I did have a consultation with them, my lawyer did advise me to say, please do not, you know, talk about whatever it is that is happening. However, I did ask if I could make this video, and she said yes, you can absolutely make this video, but after that we can't be talking about it. And I'm like, okay, that is fine, I don't have a problem. And so I wanted you guys to actually hear it from me that yes, I did get a new law firm, and they're gonna be taking over. I'm sure that the other party is going to be contacted soon, and you guys know the moment they get contacted, it's a hoo-ha, it's a hoo-ra, it's a ho-ho, and a ho-ho, and a ha-ha, and a ho-ho. And so obviously for my ninjas, I just wanted you guys to hear it from the horse's mouth to say that yes, there is no point or any time that at no level did I ever cancel the case or anything. I think that for me, I've got so much that is going on in my life. I've got a lot more important things that I actually you know, going on. And so if there's an opportunity for me to make money, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and you know, I'm gonna have everyone just do what they need to do. It is unfortunate that my previous lawyer is far, and you know, obviously she did drop the ball when it comes to booking the wrong courtroom, but other than that, I'm with a new law firm. We'll try it out, we'll see how it goes, and that is that. So basically that is that. I had to say a lot because I know that I do have new ninjas that are subscribed, they just do not know what is going on. But this is basically what is going on. There's a lot that was said, there's a lot that literally went down. If there's anything about me, I will always fight for myself, and I will fight in different ways. You know, there's certain people that are worth my response, and then the others that I just make sure that I'm gonna just sue you. You know, I don't I don't have to say, like, I've worked hard enough for me to can afford to can just sue you. I'm gonna sue you. Like, that is me. If you're gonna come out and just lie, I'm gonna definitely just do it. Just because you hate me does not mean that you have to lie on me. If your opinion is that I'm a horrible person, that should be your opinion, and that is fine. I don't give a crap, not even a very little butt, okay? Because you liking me or not liking me doesn't really do anything for me. You know, you're not my ninja, you're not anybody that I even would say that I like. So why would I be stressed that some stranger that stays somewhere hates me? I don't have a problem with that. But when you go to a point of actually lying, that is a problem. And so yeah, that's basically what is going on, guys. I am quite excited, you know, that obviously we're starting this again with a new lawyer, and so we're gonna see exactly how it goes. I did also tell them to say, guys, I need results. Like, basically that is it. I need results. I need her to go to court and actually just prove all this nonsense that she was busy talking about me. I honestly just do, and I think I'm well within my rights, and so I'm definitely going to do that. There is a video that I actually saw of the same person, apparently, not even apparently, because I saw the video, and she was saying that I should leave her alone, and she was talking about how my ancestors hate this and that. That's like a whole video on its own that I'm gonna do separately on my other channel. But one thing I can just go ahead and tell you is that it's not everyone that you touch. It's not everyone that you touch. She schemed with my ex-husband, and he was the one that was feeding her whatever, which she didn't even, you know, double check or want to get proof. Because when you don't like someone, or you are jealous, or you are bitter towards somebody's success, especially, you are gonna make mistakes, you understand? And that's the mistake that she made. Oh, girl never wanted proof from this person. She just had somebody saying something, and she started coming out here paparazzi and making it seem like it's facts. And so if there's one thing that I can go ahead and tell you right now, is that it's not everyone that you touch. It's not everyone that you just do anyhow. My ex-husband told her to be careful of me. If you guys remember from the audio that he actually said, he said you need to be very careful of her. Somehow I'm dangerous and stuff like that. Now the craziest part is that she skipped that part. So she was not scared of me. She was not careful about me, but she believed him in every other nonsense that he spoke about me. Do you see the irony in the whole situation? But as I said, if I have to collect down to everything, I will do that. Anyhow, I will. I go there. If I win by God's grace, even if she has got no cent in her account today, she will have no asset under her name until she will pay me in full. Because even after 10 years, I will still be after you until I get all that money, whatever it is that I'm gonna win, obviously God willing. You don't treat people like that. You do not do that. And especially as a woman, you don't do that. Absolutely not. And so to the people that are like, hey, we feel sorry, hey, we do this, we do that, then apparently I was supposed to go and talk to my ancestors. And I don't communicate with my ancestors. I'm a Christian. So if my ancestors are coming for you, deal with them. Deal with them. I'm sorry, guys. Show them your cross. One thing about me, I sleep like a baby. I sleep like a drunk baby. I go off like completely out. So if when Nanje, you're just having your own, you know, if they're coming for you, call your ancestors as well, let them deal. Maybe they will talk ancestor to ancestor, but now there's nothing I can do, you know, there's nothing I can do. But anyway, yeah, that's basically that. So I think that is the update. I do hope that you guys will have a good day from me. Oh, I'm in H-Bazar. I love you guys. And as I said, no matter what videos are gonna come out, I honestly don't want to jinx or even be on the wrong side with my lawyer. Obviously, as I said, these are new lawyers. I did hire a white law firm this time, and so I just don't want any problems, you know. I don't want any problems, and so I just, if she's saying that don't be talking about anything, then I'm not gonna be talking about anything, just to make sure that obviously I'll make that job easier. And so I'm done with this. I obviously just had to give you guys this update, and then that is it. But yeah, I'm quite happy, and yeah, things are about to start rolling. And so yeah guys, I love you, stay blessed, and if anybody else, my ancestors are coming for you. Sorry, there's nothing I can do. Bye.